we had some leaks in our house. We had a regular shingle roof, and we decided we were going to go with the metal roofing system. We looked online at several other companies. We had one come out and give us an estimate and tell us how long it would take to do the project, and showed us the materials involved. We had you come out, you showed us the materials involved. You brought up several things that needed to be done that the other company did not. We felt that you were more truthful with us with the cost and with what had to be done and how long it would take to be done. So we decided to go with Legacy after looking at their reputation and references online.
Great. How did the, speaking of cost, how did the cost fit in? Was it about what you thought it was going to be, or was it a little bit more than you thought?
Well, just like anything else that anybody goes out to buy, you get a little sticker shock on the initial pricing. But after thinking and realizing what all had to be done to complete the project, we felt the cost of the project was in line with anything that magnitude that you'd be doing on your home in the future.
Yeah, we were surprised at all the work that went into it. How the guys had to bend it all, do it all by hand. So yeah, the price was okay.
How were the crews? Were they professional? Did they take care of your needs during the process?
The installers, Josh and his crew were very professional. They were here every day, got here early, worked till late. The employees of Legacy, Joe and Jim, they came, they did their parts. You came out when we needed some other things done.
So the job didn't go off without a hitch then? There was a couple hiccups.
I don't think any construction job that you ever have done at your house will go off with no hitch. I think there's always a hitch.
Well, how'd we handle the issues for you?
Well, that's the deal. You have to work with a company that will think about the long-term effects and come out and correct them. And you came out one day, looked at what our problems, our issues was with the project, and you corrected them. You told them what they had to do. Joe and Jim came out. They helped Josh and his crew correct them. It was some things that they never ran in before. As you can notice on the home, the bay window in the front is not straight with the roof line, and that's unique in itself. So we had a problem with the way it was assembled, and Josh's crew, along with Joe, they looked at some things that they could do to correct it. You came out and you helped with it, and it's beautiful. It turned out perfect.
It looks good.
Great. The only downside is I wish I could shake both of your hands, but obviously we can't.
Well,
we can't do that at the moment.
We're
But
in no shaking.
Right.
certainly appreciate your business, and you obviously know if there's anything I can ever do for you, let me know.
Well, we thank you very much. We're very happy with it.
We are very happy.
And we know that if anything does happen to go wrong, that we can send an email directly to the owner of the company, and he would put it out to his maintenance guys to come out here and fix it.
Great. Any specific advice you could give someone that's looking to purchase a roof?
Well, the first thing is know this could cost you more than a composition shingle.
Okay.
Going in, and don't get the sticker shock because there's a lot of work that goes into putting one of these roofs on, but it's the last roof you'll ever have to put on your house.
Thanks so much, guys.
Thank you.